Welcome back. Today we're doing a Jimmy John's delivery review. Don't know if any of y'all have been to Jimmy John's. Don't even know if it's in your area, but this is it. And what I'm ordering today is that thing right there, the Gargantuan. Don't know if it's focusing or not, but it is a salami. I don't even know if I'm saying this next word right. Capicola, turkey, roast beef, ham, and provolone. It is quite a man sandwich. Not meant for the meek, okay? Very large sandwich. In the past, I've had very good luck with the quality of the food, the freshness of everything, and the time of delivery. I have actually ordered one of these sandwiches before, and it seemed like as soon as I got off the phone, they were knocking on my door. Now, this place is only 1.5 miles down the road from me. So, you know, you would think that they could get here pretty quickly. They're knocking on the door now. I ordered this thing at 2:06 and it's 2:14. Stand by. People, I don't even know what to say. It's, that dude must have been tied to a rocket ship coming over here. My clock said 2:06. According to their receipt here, the order was received at 2:08. I didn't compare to see what the difference is in our times. But nevertheless, by my clock, I think he showed up at 2:14. It's 1.5 miles down the road. They had to make the sandwich. The man had to get in his car and crank it up. He must have been sitting in the car. They must have some kind of pit crew there. Anyway, this is apparently not the big sandwich. The big sandwich is a giant. And it's $16.99. I didn't get that. So I must have got the original. And I'm going to show it to you. That's big. That's a big sandwich. And it looks awesome. So let's try it and see what it tastes like. That's a mouthful. The little boy that delivered it, he couldn't believe how astounded I was. Nice young man. I think he thought I was upset because I went out there and go, really? Really? I mean, I just ordered this thing. I think it took him a second to process it. But, nice young man. His name was Shamar. I asked him if I could say his name on video, and he agreed. Nice, polite young man. And smoking fast delivery is all I can say. So far, sandwich is pretty good. I don't know where this will be at every Jimmy John's, but apparently this particular one, they aim to please, because I've ordered from this place at least 3 times and I've been very, very satisfied every time. Always the same. Always smoking fast service. This sandwich was $8.75 with a delivery fee of $2. And came out, and tax and all, came out to $11.72. That's not bad for a sandwich that big. If you got the big one, you would have paid $16.99 plus tax plus delivery fee. So it would have been $20 or so. I'm gonna have to give him a 10. If there were an extra 4 or 5 points I could have given him, I'd have done it. But I'm gonna have to give him a 10. The person that took my order was Matthew. Matthew, your service was A+. Shamar, your service was A+. I was very satisfied with my service all the way around. So give him a 10. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.